Hello, my name's Dr. Alex Phoon. I'm a plastic surgeon from Sydney's Park Clinic Plastic Surgery. And today in our ongoing series on tummy tucks, we're going to be talking about where the incisions sit. So abdominoplasty for us here in our clinic is very important for us to put the scars as low as possible. So you may see some scars around the internet that are really, really high, particularly at the outsides. And it's almost so that they look like they're like 1980s kind of like high cut leotards. So that's something that we don't tend to do here in this clinic. It's usually because we appreciate that scars need to be hidden in people's underwear, and people these days tend to put their underwear on a much lower line than what they would previously 10 or 20 years ago. So how long does the scar need to be? Now, if it's going to be a mini tummy tuck, and we covered this in our earlier series on mini tummy tucks, mini tummy tucks can be a lot shorter than a formal tummy tuck, but anything that involves moving the belly button to a new position, it's actually technically the same position, but the skin is brought all the way down, those tend to be an incision from your iliac crest bone from one side to the other, so almost from one side of the hip to the other. Now, naturally, we want this to be as short a scar as possible, but sometimes if you have a little bit more fullness, we might need to extend it around a little bit more to the sides, and that really depends from person to person. That being said, what you can achieve with a tummy tuck is exceptionally powerful. So in addition to taking away all that excess skin and fat from your lower tummy, we can also improve the internal muscles, so your core muscles. Improving those core muscles is almost like putting an internal corset on you, so you get a really big benefit from both the appearance of your waist as well as your girth from front to back. And as well as losing all of those stretch marks in your lower tummy, most people are more than willing to trade off having a scar that can be completely hidden in their underwear for all of the above things that you trade off to have those things. So feel free to have a look at our gallery. You'll see that some of the transformations are really quite truly remarkable. And if there are any questions that you want to ask us, don't hesitate to reach out and make contact. So we look forward to hearing from you soon, and see you later. Bye-bye.